Dear students, now we are going to see about projection of solids. In engineering graphics, the first unit deals about curves and planes. In second unit, we have seen about the projection of lines. Here, third unit, we are going to see about solids. First, solid is a closed object which have some length, width, and height. And here for this unit, we have to visualize. Suppose some cylinder object is there, some prism is there, or some cube object is there. If you are going to tilt that cube, then how it looks. Like that, we need to visualize. Then only it will be easy for us to understand. There are some basics. First, we learn some basics. So, types of solid is four: prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder. These last two, cone and the cylinder, is base is circle, and if it is a rectangle in cylinder, if the side face is triangle, it is called as cone. And prism and pyramid. So prism, there are triangular prism, square prism, rectangular prism, pentagonal prism, and hexagonal prism. The face have sorry, for example, if it is square prism, it has four faces. If it is if it is triangular, it has three edges. Like that, pentagon means hexagon means it is base is on the side, rectangle, square, pentagon. Again, taking this image. See, here there are three edges and full is triangular prism. And here is rectangular prism. This one is there are five sides or sides, so five pentagon prism, and here six sides or six edges. So it is called as hexagonal prism. And three things you have to uh, understand. So this one is base. For every prism, the bottom part is called as base. Because why I am insisting is, in question they mention the base is or the face is inclined or base is inclined. Like that they may mention. So you may get confused. So I am clearly telling you. So this bottom part is base and the side faces top. Okay. Then pyramid. Pyramid also similar to triangular, pentagon, hexagonal pyramid. So pyramid is all slant edges. There is difference. Here prism, you can see the full faces, full object, full faces, rectangular face. You can see. So here also this slant edge. Prism and pyramid, there will be axis line. It is nothing but center line. And this sometimes named as truncated. It may be cylinder or cone or rectangular prism or pentagonal pyramid, whatever it be. If it is cut inclined planes, the remaining portion is truncated, so it is called cone, like that. So this is prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder. Okay. And in your academic or in for basic drawings, there are cases when we go for solids. These are all the cases. What's the case is, see the first, the solid with the difference. And so the axis is perpendicular to the plane. There are two types of plane: horizontal plane and vertical plane. Horizontal is, think it as a ground or floor. Vertical is nothing but our wall. So our wall is vertical and our ground is horizontal. So axis perpendicular to horizontal. Okay, for that I think this will be correct images. Here this also, axis to the ground. Axis is perpendicular to the ground. That is the first case one. And axis perpendicular. So please imagine here. You have to imagine if axis is perpendicular to a wall. So axis perpendicular to the wall, then let's say square or in cases axis into and parallel to other. There are two subdivisions. Axis inclined to HP and parallel. That is that consider like a box. That rectangular box is to the ground. That's all. Or your box or even a remote, even a mobile. Take your mobile. Your mobile is the HP. That means around is your okay. At the time, automatically the axis will be parallel to inclined to vertical. Mobile is inclined to vertical plane. That is from your wall, any of in a room wall to wall, it is parallel to VP. Inclined to both reference plane. To vertical as well as horizontal plane. Fourth one. So, now, just one example problem. See here, a cone of base diameter 50 mm and 70 mm long. Axis is freely suspended from a point of a rib of its base. See here, you can see this question. They use the word base, point, freely suspended. Okay, so sometimes instead of base, they may denote as a slant edge or slant face. So that you have to clear about which one is base, which one is face, which one is corner. You have to clear. So for this question, it has two stages. First stage, think this is, say here, the dimension containing axis perpendicular to HP. It is clearly mentioned. So first we have to draw in the first stage. The axis perpendicularly below the reference plane, and above the reference plane, you can see the triangle shape. This above face have to be tilted. In the condition, it is freely suspended. So freely suspended means just think you are holding one corner or one edge, okay, and it is freely hanging. So it have to be drawn based on the center of gravity. That will be seen later. Okay, just a basic. This is just one of the example problem, but we have to solve case by case. There are so many cases here. So if we start, then it will be clear. சும்மா சொல்றேன். அப்படியே ஸ்டுடியோ யூஸ் பண்றேன். இல்ல 2007 தெரியல பிபிடி போர்ல ரெக்கார்டு ஒவ்வொரு சைடுக்கும் ஆடியோ பதில் ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகி அதான் அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் சிஸ்டம்.
பார்க்க முடியாது. இந்த காலம் கிடைக்கும் போது போட்டோ எடுத்து வச்சுக்க முடியும். அதுக்காக தான்
அப்பப்போ போடலாம்.
கண்ணா குட்டியா
நான் இருக்கும்போது இவ்வளவு தெரியல.
அப்படியே எங்க அப்பா சும்மாவா சொன்னாரு, கிம் யோங் மாதிரி இருக்காங்க அந்த வயசுல. ஒரு நார்த் கொரியா
6 மாசம்
கரெக்டா அது வேர்பிடிச்சு. சும்மா எங்க அப்பா இவர சொன்ன அப்படி